Yeah, so figured I might as well give the review for this. As far, oh my goodness, she's still talking through the background. Yeah, I mean, as far as like the story and all that, it was okay. I mean, I like the premise of it, and I mean, for a short visual novel, they did pretty good with like I say they pretty much they did good as far as like the romance and all that went with it. Especially considering like you didn't have like that much time like of doing stuff. Cause you gotta think about it. This was only like really like the main story was only like 3 hours at the most, I think. So it's like they had to make like that whole love story within that 3 hours. It couldn't be like you couldn't just constantly do time skips. Yeah, shout out to these guys. They did their thing. Okay. I was like, so yeah. So yeah, they did their thing. And another thing I liked about it was the fact that it was like they actually had like the girl voice acting. It saved me time doing the playthrough for sure, and the voice was lovely, was way more lovely than I could have came up with for real. Um, I mean, I wish they would have probably did it for the other characters, but it's cool though. Kind of let me add like my own little twist to it. And the good thing is, I'm glad they didn't do that many characters. Another thing is though, I wish they. It's like I do wish the game was a little bit longer, just because like certain characters, you really could care less about them. I mean, even though like in this one they actually addressed that with the one classmate, because I'm just like, yo, who is this guy? Like always talking about beef and all that shit. So yeah, so yeah, I think that's the only thing. Like if the game was longer, I think they would have actually put more like filling into the characters. So yeah, I'd probably give this game 8 out of 10. Yeah, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It was pretty good. So yeah, um, yeah, I recommend this game. So yeah, so with that, I catch y'all. Love y'all. Peace. As soon as I can get to the daggone end the record button. Oh yeah, happy Valentine's month.